KitchenAid Mega Metal Food Grinder attachment in silver. Available on Amazon $99, but at this time $74 with 25% off. Connect to any household KitchenAid Stand Mixer, power hub, and use the power of the motor to run the metal food grinder attachments. Sold separately. The possible for creating fresh inventive foods are endless, with the included fine, medium and coarse grinding plates and two staffer tubes. The large food tray allows you to process more ingredients in on batch, cutting down on food prep time compared to model FGA. Pre-chill the grinder in the refrigerator or freezer to maintain a cold grinder temperature for a neat and clean grind every time. The KitchenAid Metal Food Grinder is packed and organized inside in its own storage case, designed for easy storage and quick access. Model KSMMGA includes metal food grinder, removable food tray, fine grinding plates, medium grinding plate, coarse grinding plate, cleaning brush, food pusher, sausage stuffer tubes, sausage stuffer plates. Customer questions and answer this product. Question: what is the deal with this person saying it is made of lead? Answer the customer. This product actually DOES contain leads. This is why it has a pro pencil inches warning. This is a CA based consumer safety design designations heavy. However, the lead is in this product does not come into contact with the food you are processing, so as long as the grinder shows on a sign of damage, it is perfectly safe to use. Available on Amazon free delivery. Thanks for watching video and subscribe my YouTube channel.